Ever pondered why some individuals excel in math, while others have a knack for music, or why some people can communicate effectively and others are natural-born athletes? Well, it all boils down to the theory of multiple intelligences, proposed by Howard Gardner in 1983. This theory suggests that traditional notions of intelligence, such as IQ tests, are too limited. Instead, Gardner proposes 8 different types of intelligences that individuals can possess. Understanding these intelligences can help us appreciate our unique abilities and strengths. Firstly, we have linguistic intelligence. This involves sensitivity to spoken and written language, the ability to learn languages, and the capacity to use language to accomplish certain goals. Think of authors, poets, orators. Their strength lies in their command of language. Second is logical mathematical intelligence. This consists of the capacity to analyze problems logically, carry out mathematical operations, and investigate issues scientifically. Mathematicians, scientists, and engineers often exhibit this type of intelligence. Next up is musical intelligence. This is the capacity to discern pitch, rhythm, timbre, and tone. Musicians, singers, and composers are people who typically possess a high level of musical intelligence. Then we have spatial intelligence. This involves the potential to recognize and manipulate the patterns of wide space, as well as more confined areas. Architects, pilots, and painters are just a few examples of people with high spatial intelligence. Our 5th type is bodily kinesthetic intelligence. This is the potential to use one's whole body or parts of the body to solve problems or fashion products. Dancers, athletes, and surgeons all make use of bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Next is interpersonal intelligence. This is the capacity to understand the intentions, motivations, and desires of other people, and consequently, to work effectively with others. People in roles such as teachers, social workers, and actors typically demonstrate this type of intelligence. 7th on the list is intrapersonal intelligence. This involves the capacity to understand oneself, to appreciate one's feelings, fears, and motivations. Psychologists, spiritual leaders, and successful entrepreneurs often exhibit a high level of intrapersonal intelligence. Lastly, we have naturalist intelligence. This is the ability to discern, categorize, and nurture items and phenomena in nature. Farmers, gardeners, and conservationists are examples of people with a high degree of naturalist intelligence. Now, you might be wondering, how does one identify these intelligences? Well, that's where the Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test, or DMiT, comes into play. The DMiT is a scientifically proven test that uses the study of the skin patterns on fingers to understand an individual's potential and preferred learning and communication modes. It's a comprehensive, personalized, and accurate method to map out a person's multiple intelligences from an early age. Understanding these 8 types of intelligences and identifying which ones we possess can have numerous benefits. It can help us to better understand ourselves, our strengths, our weaknesses, and how we learn best. It can guide career choices, improve interpersonal relationships, and even enhance our self-esteem. That's the beauty of the DMiT and the theory of multiple intelligences. It allows us to embrace our uniqueness and to appreciate the diverse intelligences that exist in the world around us. So the next time you marvel at someone's abilities, remember, it's not just about being smart, it's about how you're smart.